Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
A new maintenance technician at the amusement park. Part 4.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman?
He scrambled to hide the turnbuckle in his hand. But Sheriff Labrador's dark round eyes suddenly locked on the turnbuckle.
Beep Bob, last night we saw you sneak into the equipment room of the amusement park ride. And you were in there for a long time. But you know what? We had asked an engineer to check and confirm that all of the rides in the park were in good working condition.
So what were you doing that you had to spend so much time in the equipment room last night?
Hey now, you sabotaged the rides on purpose, didn't you? You were planning this all along.
No, absolutely not. I went to double-check the equipment to make sure there wouldn't be any failures. I didn't sabotage it, I swear. I'll get on the Red Baron ride right now and prove to you that it's safe.
Wait!
Before Sheriff Labrador could stop him, Bebop braced himself to jump on the ride to disguise his crime. The Red Baron ride started rotating around in circles, up and down. Bebop leaned out and shouted down.
You see? There's nothing wrong. The ride works like it should be.
Whoosh! Before Bebop could finish, the quickly rotating ride flung him off.
Ah!
Holy moly!
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman rushed over to where they anticipated Bebop would land.
Ah!
Thud! Boing! Boing! Luckily, Bebop landed on a trampoline not far away. He bounced around on the trampoline like a ball. He became so dizzy that he started to see stars.
Oh, that doesn't make sense. Why did the Red Baron fling me off? I don't understand why the device worked after I had removed the turnbuckle. Could it be haunted?
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman ran over and breathed a sigh of relief when they saw that Bebop was fine.
Hey now, thankfully you didn't get seriously injured. Why didn't you at least hear us out, Beep Bob? After you left yesterday, we asked the engineer to recheck the device. Then he found one of its turnbuckles was missing, so we installed a new one. That way, the ride could work as it should.
As to why you were flung from the ride, quite simply, you were not wearing a seatbelt. Now the missing turnbuckle is in your hand, Beep Bob.
That's evidence of your crime. Why did you sabotage the amusement park rides? What were you thinking?
Bebop burst into tears of regret.
Oh, I just wanted Mr. Lyons to hire me as a ride inventor and agree to let me design more fun devices. But he refused. So I caused the rides in the park to fail to work properly. I thought Lyons would ask me to invent new devices when visitors started complaining. I just wanted to be an inventor. Life is so hard.
You need to come with us to the police station, Beep Bob.
When will I get to be an inventor? Sad, I am so sad.